What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, and we are here with another Shiba Inu update. We got some good news in, right? Some global adoption is taking place as people see Shiba Inu becoming more of a real asset. We're starting to see, bigger institutions and whatnot, be open or welcoming to taking SHIB as a form of payment. Now, this is important because mass adoption requires people to be willing to accept the currency. If no one is willing to, exchange any goods for it, then, it's gonna only have a certain limitation or a certain cap that it could reach to. As more and more people, believe in Shiba Inu, similar to like Bitcoin. Notice how many different retailers we see out nowadays that are, they understand Bitcoin, are willing to accept Bitcoin. That's what's going to take place with Shiba Inu as more and more people, start to adopt it. So we got Shiba Inu now accepted by leading Dubai University via this integration. So it's pretty dope to see that you can now basically, in short, I'm assuming, pay for tuition at a college in Dubai using Shiba Inu. Now that says a lot. If people are willing to accept that type of money in Shiba Inu, that just shows you the future value that people place on it, and that should give you the confidence as a holder. If you're one of those people that plan on holding 3 to 5 years plus, like myself, then signs like that are things we need to connect the dots on to see that, okay, we can have more confidence in this project because more and more people are starting to adopt it. So Binance helps bring crypto to CUDUAE, a leading university in Dubai. Prospective and current students can now pay their fees, including tuition fees, with crypto. So that is absolutely major right there. So just good to see. We got the overall crypto market pulling back right now. If we take a look at Shiba Inu, we can see that SHIB right now is pulling back to that exact level that we talked about. It's giving a little bit more, but remember we talked about the price pulling back to this mid Bollinger Band here at 1249, 1250. Now the price is kind of, we're at 1215 right now, so it's holding kind of in this range. Remember, you always have to give or take a little bit, and remember, none of this is financial advice. I could always be wrong. Nobody has a crystal ball when it comes to this. We're just trying to use these technical indicators to determine what's most likely to happen or what could happen. So usually we see a support here at the mid Bollinger Band level, but the fact that the price broke and violated the mid Bollinger Band, it's a sign that it could possibly move even lower to the lower Bollinger Band, which is at that 1028 level. Now all this will basically determine how the overall market is performing. So if the overall market continues to pull back, most likely Shiba Inu will come down to this 10 level. So this is just giving y'all a heads up so you can determine what do you want to do. If you're one of those people that have bought in a recent time and you're up in profits and you're determining, you might want to take some profits now. This is for short-term traders or those of you that may be looking to add more to your position. This may be a good area to buy in at if the price does come down to this level. So different strategies. So long-term holders and short-term ideas there. So let's take a look at the broader market. Actually, let's take a look at a couple more indicators. I want to check the RSI right now. So that's our relative strength index. So we can see here the relative strength index is at a level 50 right now. We'll grab the MACD as well. Okay, so we are right now at a point where SHIB could, depending on what the overall market does, because our RSI is at a 50. Now 70 and above is considered overbought, 35 and below is considered oversold. Right now it's at a 50, kind of right there in that middle point. And when we see that, we can just kind of look back in the chart on the RSI and see the point where we fell to now. Is there any signs of this being a support area? So if we take a look at where we are right now at this 50 level, we can see previously we had trouble breaking above it here in the previous early January all the way through November. We had a hard time breaking through above that 50 level. So now we're coming back down to test that 50 level on the RSI, which may be used as a support. So that could be a good sign there. But also you got to remember, it's also depending on what the overall market is doing right now as well. MACD is primed to be able to bounce off of that signal line and turn around if it if the rest of the market starts to go green. See, notice right here, MACD can bounce off of this. If we take a look at the RSI, we can see basically a support right around this level, where the markets had trouble in this previous time breaking above this level here. So notice all in this range right here, the price was suppressed under this level. So now that we broke above this previous resistance can become new support. So let's take a step back. So overall markets pulled back heavily right now. We got sitting at a $1.02 trillion market cap, down 5.4%. So usually we'll see other assets pull back, somewhere around that same range as the overall market. So we got Bitcoin down 4.8% right now, sitting at 21,821. We got Ethereum at 1545, down 6.3%. Notice how both of those percentages, those pullbacks, are kind of in correlation with the pullback that we're seeing on the overall market cap of crypto. Then we got BNB at 305, down 6%, XRP at 38 cents, down 4%, Cardano down 8% at 36 cents. We got Doge down 9.6% at 8 cents. We got Matic at 2044, down 11.93. So as we start to move to some of these more, all-tier coins, some of the further, meme type of coins, we'll start to see that percentage be a little bigger than some of those blue chip type of crypto. And then we got Polkadot at 623, down 7.7%. Shiba Inu down to 1214, down 11.7%, and it slipped to number 13th place by market cap. So let's keep an eye on that. Also take a look real quick at so the volume is up 33%. So that might be a good sign that a lot of people are buying the dip right now. So we just gotta, be patient, see what happens with the rest of the market. We got Shiba Inu coming up hopefully in the next 5 days. We got the CPI report coming out. So those could be two bullish catalysts. If those, we get green lights on both of those things, then expect Shiba Inu to see, a slight, a nice pump if you ask me. But that's all we got for this video. If y'all are interested in getting my crypto one-on-one course, email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Or if you're interested in getting my technical analysis course teaching you how to understand the data on the chart, reach out to me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And then, or you can hit me on Instagram @DecemberDeMarco or Twitter @DecemberDeMarco. And then last but not least, we got the stock options trading course. Again, reach out to me, email DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.